Important reminder. Before assembling your LiberNovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority. First, raise the chair to its maximum height. Stand on the base, hold the armrests, and rock the seat until it separates from the base. Place the seat assembly back onto the gas lift. Sit down and lower the seat to its minimum height. Then, separate the seat assembly from the base once more and set it aside. Press and hold the release button on the neck support. Push down firmly and pull the neck support out in one quick motion. Remove the battery from the side of the chair. Remove the tension knob by pulling it out from beneath the seat. Locate the two screws on the upper backrest bracket. Unscrew and remove them. Now locate the two screws on the lower backrest bracket. Unscrew and remove those as well. Carefully lift the backrest away from the frame and set it aside. Locate the adjustment component beneath the seat. Unscrew the two fasteners and remove the component. Remove the screw from the front underside of the seat. Remove the screw at the rear of the seat cushion. Repeat on the other side. Disconnect the USB-C cable at the rear of the seat. Lift the seat cushion module off the frame and set it aside. Locate the screw on the linkage rod. Remove the screw from the linkage rod. Lift the linkage assembly and tuck the rod back into place. Pull each caster wheel firmly to remove it from the base. Repeat until all 5 casters have been removed. Place a protective pad underneath. Then, tap the base to loosen the gas lift. Remove the gas lift from the base. Lay out all the disassembled components and their protective covers. Fit the protective sleeves onto each component. Fit the gas lift safety cap back onto the gas lift. Confirm that all components are properly wrapped and organized. Place the seat cushion module into the box. Place the cardboard divider on top. Place the back support bar assembly into the box. Insert the next cardboard divider. Place the backrest module into the box. Place the final cardboard divider on top. Place the star base into the box. Place the neck support into the box. Place the parts box inside. Place the setup guide on top. Close and seal the box. Your chair is now ready for return.